Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix the transparent controller center not showing on your iPhone iOS 26. So basically iPhone has introduced the latest iOS version iOS 26, and it has introduced many of the feature, and one of the feature is liquid glass option and transparency icon, and also transparent control center. But if your control center is still not transparent, and if you want to use it as your transparent control center, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version iOS 26 on your device. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to the control center, and whether it is shows transparency or not, and you have to simply press and hold if you want to get the control center settings. But in that control center settings, you will not find any transparency option available. So if you want to get the transparent control center, then you have to follow these instructions. So you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to accessibility, and here you can simply find the option of display and text size. So here is option available, reduce transparency. So you have to make sure you turn on this feature, and after that you have to check whether your control center has been fixed, and now it is showing transparency or not. If it is still not transparent, then you have to simply turn it off again, and you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. And if the problem is still there, then you can also discuss it in Apple discussion forum, and you will get any of the solution there. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.